If your iPhone Assistive Touch not working, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Assistive Touch not working problem on iPhone. So here are some easy steps to fix this problem. So the first solution is Reenable Assistive Touch. Go to your settings, scroll down, tap on Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch, and here if it's already enabled, disable Assistive Touch and re-enable it, and then check the issue. And the second solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues, so restart and check the issue. And the third solution is go to settings, tap on transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone again and hope this solution will work. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.